Hello, tech lovers. Get ready. The mid-range smartphone market is on the brink of a seismic shift. Whispers have surrounded a device promising flagship features without the flagship price tag. It's the highly anticipated Vivo R1 Pro 5G. We've gathered all the latest leaks and rumors on this game changer. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this deep dive. Is this the phone that redefines true value in 2025 and upcoming year 2026? Let's dive in and see exactly what Vivo has in store for us. From the powerful internals to that camera system, prepare to be impressed. Let's start with the aesthetics. First up, the design. Vivo has always excelled in style, and the R1 Pro 5G is absolutely no exception to that rule. We're anticipating a premium, slim profile with a gorgeous matte finish back that simply screams sophistication in your hand. But the real magic happens up front. Rumors point to a stunning 6.67-inch FHD+ AMOLED display. That means you get colors that truly pop, the deepest true blacks, and clarity you can absolutely feel when reading or viewing content. And here's the kicker for every user. A buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Every swipe, every movement feels instantaneously responsive. Coupled with high peak brightness, your viewing experience remains immersive, whether you're gaming or soaking up the sun outdoors. But a great phone is more than just a pretty face. Under the hood, the R1 Pro 5G is rumored to pack the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9500. This chip is built to be a multitasking monster, perfectly handling complex apps and the lightning-fast world of 5G connectivity. It's balanced to handle those demanding games and heavy-load tasks, all without breaking a single sweat or causing any lag. Paired with ample 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage options, slow performance and everyday frustrations should truly be a thing of the past. Powering all this is a substantial 5,000 milliamp-hour battery. Even for the heaviest power users, this should easily last you a full uninterrupted day. And when you do finally need to top up, the rumored 44-watt fast charging means you'll be back in the game in well under a single hour. Now let's talk optics, a crucial part of any great Vivo phone. The Vivo R1 Pro 5G is expected to feature an incredible triple camera setup. The definite star of the show? A high-resolution 64-megapixel main sensor, ready to capture stunning high-definition moments. And thankfully, it's complete with electronic image stabilization for rock-steady 4K video recording. Say goodbye to that shaky, unusable footage. This is complemented by a 2-megapixel depth sensor for truly professional-level portrait shots, separating the subject perfectly. Plus, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens is on board for those breathtaking landscapes and group shots that capture everything. It's engineered to perform exceptionally in low light, delivering clear, bright images even when the sun is completely set. And for the selfie masters, a crisp 16-megapixel front camera is rumored to deliver flawless clarity, day or night. The million-dollar question? When can you actually get your hands on this smartphone? The latest leaks point to a launch date of December 26, 2026. However, as with any major release, just be prepared for potential adjustments. We'll update you if anything changes, of course. And what about the price? The starting price is arguably the most exciting part, rumored to be around $485 or 28,500 Indian rupee. The Vivo R1 Pro 5G truly delivers exceptional value, packing flagship-level features into an affordable package. This could easily be crowned one of the best value-for-money smartphones launching next year. It's truly a compelling offer. So, what are our final thoughts? The Vivo R1 Pro 5G appears set to dominate the mid-range with its 120 Hz AMOLED and versatile camera. Are you ready to unbox this gem? Let us know in the comments below what is the one feature you are most excited about. Like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and hit that notification bell right now, so you don't miss our full hands-on review when this phone finally launches. Thanks so much for watching.